14 Carrera GTs right now. One's hiding behind a white one. But solid turnout. PTS Jade Green Spyder RS. Nice. We got one Carrera GT. Not sure how many came already because we kind of showed up a little late. It's the Oslo Blue Carrera GT. I'm not sure if this is a Porsche factory car, but pretty cool. Very nice color. Changes another light actually. And the badass Cayenne. Don't know what this is, but the badge in the back says ST and turbo. It does have a turbo engine though, you can hear it. 997 Sport Classic. Euro model, never came to North America. It's got the PCCBs. I think it's PDK only, but we'll take a look closer. Ducktail, twin exhaust pipes, kind of like a GT3 rear bumper. Ooh, this one is manual. Nice. 250 cars. This is number 111. GT2 RS showed up. Just listen to that. Don't listen to this. Looks like number 3 is coming. Whoa, that's the silver 3.8. Number 3, 4, and the black was number 5. Sweet. That's the, I think, a Meteor Gray or something. That's asking $2.5 million. The 997.2 GT3 RS. Another 997.2 GT2 RS. Good spec. Very spiky red. White Carrera GT with the white wheels pulling in. That's a good spec. Followed by acid green with 911 orange. And a DLS Stinger in matte champagne today. White 911 orange. Followed by a, wow, what color is this? That's a nice color GT3 RS. Sport Classic. Check out the Carrera GTs that have arrived here so far. We got the Oslo Blue one, the GT Silver, the white with white wheels, another silver one with terracotta interior, and a black one over there. Moving this way, we got the Singer DLS hanging out over there. Very dark purple looking 3RS over here with painted front bumper, with a painted air intake on the bottom, champagne wheels, with painted center caps, black painted calipers, and leather to sample interior. Look at that. Very cool color that you can't really get on camera. Really cool. Painted RS on the wing end plates, clear taillights. Nice. Here it is, the 3.8 in this special PTS gray and the acid green. 964 turbo 3.6. This is probably the same car as the one that was in the Bad Boys 1, but maybe not the identical car. But super cool, super rare. GT4 Club Sport and the 992 Cup car. Very nice. Flat rock. This is where we went yesterday for the track day. Over here, lots of guards red car. Don't know what that is. 934, I think. The 2RS, the 3RS, and the newer 2RS. Mexico Blue ST has arrived. Pushing the GT3R. Probably the best sounding Carrera GT so far. That's actually a really nice color on the GT. The color actually changes. Like over here, it's kind of like very orangey, but in the shade, it's kind of like light yellow, light red. Very customized. Carrera GT. Carbon fiber, special stitching. Zanzibar is here. Black one showed up, and an oak green metallic as well. A couple special options in this car. So apparently the owner went to the factory and spec'd out everything here, like this. The driver's seat's a little bit bigger than the passenger seat for his wife. To accommodate his wife, it's a little bit smaller, like 10 millimeters higher and 10 millimeters narrower. Shifter's carbon fiber, and that dash is supposed to be silver, but it's in leather. Super cool. The center is not supposed to be stitched like that, but it is. Very cool. Red car pulled in as well. Nice. The Roof CTR Yellowbird in black. Slant nose too. Super, super rare. That's the SCR, the new version. Pink, wow. The Spectrum, pink, dark blue, light blue, even more light blue, and dull blue. The only RS America in Maritime Blue. Nice. The Roof SCR in pink. Cool. White stripes, white wheels, white calipers, pink calipers with the Roof lollipop seats. Nice. I think the last time we saw one of these was at the factory 2 years ago. Nobody's looking at this yet, but this is a Roof Yellowbird painted in this dark blue / black color. Very, very subtle, very low key. Probably the most valuable car over here. I think the Yellowbirds are trading for about 4.5 to 5.5 million US dollars right now. Really cool. Just did some research. This is one of one slant nose Yellowbird from factory, commissioned by a Japanese collector in 1991. So cool. Finally got the polarizer on so you can actually see the color. Very pretty. Dark blue. Look what we found. A 918 in the trailer in this color. I've never seen this before. Silver painted calipers. Nice. Looks like a painted livery too. Black Carrera GT and a 918 gray black. And this 918 over here, the yellow and orange one. Cobalt Blue 997.2 GT3. Had a flat tire yesterday, but finally fixed it for today. Nice. Electric mode. Never been to public event. Factory painted livery. Super, super cool. So cool. A 991 based Roof. SCT, I think. Nice. It sounds gnarly. Oh, sorry, it's an RTR. This is a Roof BTR. Very nice. The new 993 headlights that Roof developed. Sweet. This is another Roof BTR, the older version based on 964. 14 Carrera GTs right now. One's hiding behind a white one. But solid turnout. Apparently there's 4 more cars coming. There's a signal yellow and signal orange that's going to pull up over here. And polarizer is a little bit wonky with the wide angle, the oak green, the Zanzibar, the PTS Roy Special. Let's go through the colors, starting off with GT Silver over there, and a black, that's solid black, guards red, another GT Silver. This is Seal Gray. Now you can see a difference. This is a little darker than that one. Seal Gray on the left, GT Silver on the right. Over there, I believe this might be Basalt Black. It's a bit grayish. Pretty cool, actually. Another GT Silver. Oslo Blue, repainted, I think by a dealership. I don't think it's Porsche Classic that did this. Another GT Silver. A white. Don't know if this is metallic. Is it metallic? It looks like a flat white. That's another black. Another GT Silver. Oak green metallic, repainted or recommissioned by a Porsche Classic department. Super cool. I think it's got like 90 miles on it. And the original PTS Zanzibar red or Zanzibar orange on this. The owner was here, and this color actually belonged to the Boxster. So we got the super expensive Boxster over here. White 918 Weissach. Cool. This one just came. Very nice. Silver wheels. That's how it should be done. Acid green delete. No acid green on this car at all, with the exception of the E-Hybrid badge, because the calipers are supposed to be in acid green, so are the interior piping, but this one has, I think, silver or white piping. GT3R and another GT3R. Rexy the race car with the hippie 918 back there, fully painted. This one also kind of has acid green delete. Calipers are in silver with no E-hybrid badge. Number 857, Hippie 918 in yellow and orangey red, based off this Hippie 917. First annual Porsche Parade in 1956.
Exhaust, really loud.
So cool. A baby blue GT3 Touring. I think it might be Maritime Blue with the matching pinstripe and painted black wheel. Really cool. Painted interior trim too. See a line over there? Sweet. Can't tell what yellow this is. Looks like the normal racing yellow we have on the other cars. Not really speed yellow either, but nice. 612 horsepower. The purple carbon fiber. Can't really tell though. You can't really tell that this is purple carbon fiber. The bumpers are plastic, so they're kind of paint match, but everything to the rear quarter panel, from the rear quarter panel to the front fender are in carbon fiber exposed. If you look around and notice, this car has the carbon fiber hoops, while the other Carrera GTs don't. The others are all painted. The roof feel is looking pretty full. We got a pink SCR. This is their newest collection in the carbon monocoque with the lollipop headrest. And we got this RTR, super cool, based on 991.1. Look at the seats. It's got the 997 GT3 folding buckets. Intercooler intake in the back with this really cool carbon wing. Nice. Moving on, we got the 993 BTR2 two-wheel drive. Really cool with the new roof taillights. It actually blinkers down there. And you got the BTR four-wheel drive W09 chassis, super cool, and the black super understated Yellowbird slant nose, one of one. Not a Carrera GT, but pretty cool PTS Maritime Blue 4.0. Even though this is Maritime Blue like the one we saw at Airwater, this is a different Maritime Blue 4.0. So there's two in the US, one in the West Coast and one on the East Coast. This one has a stripe stub. This is so cool, a Durango 392 with police lights everywhere. Cool. Flat nose 911 with a very cool light green interior. Look at that, pretty cool. Matching with the Platica sign and that countertop over there. See Blue 3RS.
This mirror is way too big.
Very cool license plate. Lap time. And almost the same matching blue. Seat hoops and matching color interior. Very nice. Very cool. The front bumper has been paint matched. CX6 option probably. With these, I think they're orange wheels or white gold. Not too sure. But Visac pack. Very cool. You can see the interior. Hoops. But interesting though. This car's a Visac hood and the carbon hood with the stripe down the middle, but it does not have the carbon second flap, so I don't know if it's a Visac kit actually. It seems like the Chupon 962 has arrived. The clamshell has been opened along with plants. Look at the engine. Wow. 91.2 RSR Rexy and 997.1 RSR. These are so underrated. They're so cool. Plexiglass windows. Rainwater's gonna get in. Sequential gearbox. Wide body. Really, really cool. Sick yellow. I think I saw this at Rentsport 2 years ago. Lava Orange GT3 RS. It's a rare color on this 9th generation of 911s. The black olive, sorry, NATO olive leaving right now. We were following that yesterday. Going back to this, non-Visac. Looks like HRE classic wheels. I'm not sure about the vents and stuff, but pretty cool actually. Nice houndstooth seats. Sweet. Disabled veteran. Wow, thank you for your service. But a cool lineup of GT3s over here and this Turbo S. Long range parking lot. GT3 Huracan. Oh, that's an STO.